Good evening, everyone. Tonight we are in Anaheim at the Anaheim Garden Walk for a multi-part event. We've got Room to Party's Retro Horror Bar, and in the back of the horror bar we have Santa Ana Haunt's OC Nightmare. So you come in, grab a drink, then go through a haunted house, stay out here on this huge patio. We'll show you in just a minute. Grab a drink at the bar inside, sit out here, enjoy the cool fall air, and then go through Santa Ana Haunt's haunt.
Yeah, that's it. Let's go. Only you two. Let's go. Come on.
That was a ton of fun. We always love Santa Ana Haunt at their home haunt, all their events that they do, and they did a really good job here. The horror bar, ton of fun. Come on out early, grab a drink, maybe grab some dinner at one of the restaurants here at the Garden Walk. Plenty of parking, no problem getting in. Enjoy the night and have a really good time. Thank you for having us out tonight. We had a lot of fun. We'll be back for the other events. We'll put that full list of events that they have coming up, plus the dates for this, the ticket prices, and all the information down in the description. If you like the video, give it a big thumbs up. Not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button with the notification bell turned on, and follow us on social media. Thanks for watching.